Hey guys, Wally here, and this is my first response video, I guess. And as you can see from the title, it's about the new Birds of Prey movie and a YouTuber named High Tops Films. High Tops Films makes video essays and short films about various subjects, typically comic book films, which I guess isn't that various. Now see, I used to like High Tops Films for a while now, and he's always made good content, but this I just can't agree with. Now this isn't my first time disagreeing with High Tops Films. He's made vids on how bad he thinks the Amazing Spider-Man Andrew Garfield movies were, whereas I thought they were the best damn thing since the Raimi trilogy, which he's a huge fanboy of, by the way. Okay, I'm a huge Raimi fanboy as well, so I guess I can't judge. And he also thought that Venom was a terrible movie, which again, I disagree with. I thought it was a great movie. But his review on Birds of Prey, which was pretty positive, whereas I haven't seen the movie, but I don't really hold the movie in a positive light for my own reasons, and I'll make a video on that soon. But his review of the Birds of Prey was just utter trash and honestly disrespectful. Let me explain. His main praise that he gives the film is that it's fresh and director driven, which are words that he throws around a lot. I didn't agree with that, but again, this is not why I made the video. I made the video due to how he responded to the criticism of the Birds of Prey movie and the decisions that it makes, and it's his utter hypocrisy in how he reviews other movies. So I'm going to start with the hypocrisy. I cannot tell you the amount of times he has complained, High Tops Films, about side characters not being fleshed out. But here, he has some issues with the Birds of Prey team. You know, the fucking team that the movie is named after. Not only do they have shitty characterization, but they should have butchered the characters. None of the Birds of Prey would have ever in their life team up with Harley Quinn. Like, Renee Montoya wouldn't. I can't speak for Cassandra Cain. Huntress wouldn't. And Black Canary definitely would not team up with Harley Quinn, or see Harley Quinn as someone to follow or look up to. And as for the villains, my fucking god, the villains. From what I know, the villains are like literally just the shittiest, feminist idea of what a man is, basically. Like, they're all just a bunch of evil straight white men. This is coming from a person who isn't white, And like the main villains of Victor Zsasz and Black Mask, what they did with their characters by making them gay, which again, for various personal reasons, I have no issues with the LGBT. For personal reasons that I don't want to get into. But the point is, I have no problems with the LGBT. In fact, for the most part, while I do have a problem with characters' sexualities being changed, I do think that occasionally it could work depending on the character and depending on how you write their stories. Take, for example, my favorite arc in the entirety of Doom Patrol is Negative Man's arc, and Negative Man's arc of coming to terms with his sexuality, which I find to be amazing. I find that to be amazing. So don't type in the comments, oh, Wally's a homophobe, because Wally's not a homophobe. And trust me, once I eventually make a video on why I personally don't have a problem with the LGBT, you'll understand that there's no way in hell I would be a homophobe, right? But it's just unnecessary. It's unnecessary for Zsasz and Black Mask to be gay. It's unnecessary. And here lies my issue, my second issue, apart from the hypocrisy, is that in a little blurb, High Tops Films pretty much says that if you have any problem at all with Victor Zsasz and Black Mask having a sort of gay relationship, in a sense, that I should unsubscribe. So that leads to my second part, the disrespect. High Tops doesn't even have the fucking balls to verbally explain why complaining about Black Mask's sexuality is bad. He just tells us to fucking unsub. Well, you know what, High Tops Films? It hurts me to say this, but fuck you. I will unsub. You happy? And the comments that he tried to reply to, that pretty much called the Birds of Prey a feminist garbage movie, which, from the looks of it, it does seem like a feminist garbage movie. Not only was it advertised as a feminist movie by Ewan McGregor, the person who plays Black Mask, but you can see the movie itself, its portrayal of white men is all fucking negative. And let me say this once. No one, and I mean no one, likes shitty left-wing political garbage in movies. And no one really likes right-wing political garbage in movies either. That's why no one really likes God's Not Dead. But still, everyone is sick of it. Everyone's sick of the left-wing bullshit, you know? And people like you, High Tops, calling us incels for disliking feminism, disliking, you know, these movies, these feminist movies, and calling us incels and misogynists for disliking it. I want to ask you a question, and not just you, High Tops Films, but all the other people out there who would say, oh, you just dislike this movie because it has women in it, because it has women in prominent roles, or because it has women as the lead, or has women as strong. So let me ask you guys a question. Where were these misogynists during Wonder Woman? During Black Widow? The Black Widow announcement trailer? Alita Battle Angel, Kill Bill, Alien, Terminator 2. Where the fuck were all these these misogynists? They didn't have a problem with Wonder Woman, or should I say we? We didn't have a problem with any of these other movies. In fact, you know, were they not women? Or is Wonder Woman a man? Is she trans? She trans? Is she trans? Is the bride from Kill Bill trans? Or maybe it's not the fact that we don't like these movies because they have women in it. We don't like these garbage movies because they have women in it. Because clearly we will praise great movies with women in it. So it's not the fact that you have a woman in the fucking film having a prominent role. We just don't like the feminist shit. So that's it. And for High Tops Films, you didn't have to attack the dissenters. You didn't have to be a hypocrite, but you did. And now I'm unsubbing. Thank you. If you like that video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And follow me on Instagram at wally.ig2 for more YT updates. Goodbye, comrades.